Locked out or lost the key? Do you require Locksmith Services for your business? If you're looking for anything related to keys, locks, safes and door security, the friendly and professional team at Lock, Stock and Farrell would be delighted to assist you. Our fleet of fast response vans covers all of Perth Metro, and our operators can get to you in a hurry or at a pre-arranged time that suits you. Our showroom and workshop are equipped with the latest technology to manage bookings professionally, as well as provide the fastest turnaround times and precise workmanship for each and every job. The team of professionals has combined locksmith experience of over 100 years. Deal with the best master locksmiths when it comes to your security. Whether you need a key cut or a lock repaired or replaced at your home or business, or whether you're lost or locked in your car key, we will get you back to normal quickly, efficiently and inexpensively. For Perth's leading locksmith service, give Lock, Stock and Farrell a call and we'll be there in a heartbeat.